it do? That'd be lame. Well, I ain't one of them. Hope y'all like the new intro. You know what I'm saying? Merch will be coming soon. If y'all want one of those shirts, you know, in the comments. DM me on Instagram, you know, Facebook, whatever. If you want one, let me know if y'all want support or anything. I feel like it's a dope shirt. But what's up? We're back with another wiring video. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can complete it today. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Share if you want to. It's nothing but good vibes over here in Tavion's garage. You feel me? So go ahead. Don't be scared. Ain't nobody gonna judge you. Hit the dislike if you don't like it. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? I need feedback if I'm doing something right. So if you're like me and you know what I'm saying, you work on cars, I feel like it's only right. They give you this little weird little book or whatever. You don't really need that. Just go off of what I'm about to tell you right now. And I swear to God, your car should start up. I ain't gonna put it on God, but I promise you your car is gonna start up. Now all that other stuff, I don't know what it's gonna do, but it's gonna start up. Just follow these steps. All right, so what I did, you know what I'm saying, just to make this as clean as possible, you feel me? I ran the wires through the stock hole where the original harness went through. And then I took, you see that tan wire right there? This tan wire, that's your distributor wire right here. I just connected to another wire, you know what I'm saying? Like a 12 gauge wire, ran it through the rest of my wires and whatnot. These two right here, if you got trans control, this is your key on 12 volt, your switch 12 pretty much. I just tied them in together. I'm gonna put another connector right here. And I'm gonna run it. You'll run that tan wire to this, and then you run these wires to this. The tan wire would make this whole thing switch 12. So I'm gonna be putting my relays on here as well somewhere. I just gotta figure out how I want it to lay out and whatnot. But I'm gonna have my relays on there too. You're gonna have about like, go get you 3 relays. I get mine from O'Reilly's. I should have ordered the Amazon one. They come with a pigtail down here, but you know how that is. And then I got my fuel pump wires. They're ran in here as well. Out of the input harness adapter that you see down there, out of that, you're gonna need these three wires. The gray and yellow is the fans. One fan, and the red and gray is another fan. This one's the AC kick down. So them the only 3 you need. You're gonna have another red wire out the harness. This one's gonna go straight to the battery. You're gonna have 2 ground wires that's coming out of the harness as well. One would be for the trans control, and then the other one is just for the Holly. I as well split them together, and then I'll be running this straight to the frame. So, and for me personally, I tried to ground my my fuel pump. This is my fuel pump ground all the way back there. I tried to ground it on a frame, but it didn't work. So I normally, I don't know why, but on all my cars, I have to run it straight to the battery as well. So, and then you're gonna have a green and a red wire. This one's gonna go to your relay. The other one's gonna go straight to the battery. So, let's get to plugging all this shit. I'm gonna put y'all on a little time lapse so y'all can, you feel me? So I ran into an issue, small delay. I'm saying I got the fuel pump wiring, I got the switch 12 wiring, all that, and I was trying to clean it up a little bit. But I was trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying, the radiator. I was about to start making the wires for the radiator and whatnot, and I mean for the fans, for the radiator, but the radiator was too long, way too long. Go ahead and get y'all like a LS1 F-body radiator or something like that and use the fans off of that. I believe the truck radiator even works as well. I think, don't take my word for it. I know LS1 works. I looked it up and I found it. But we're just going to use his radiator that he has for it. He had this for his small block. But now that we got that situated, I don't have to go get another relay since I'm just gonna be only using 2, one for the fuel pump and one for the fans. So yeah, I just gotta finish doing that. But as you see, I got a lot of my wire. I like to combine a lot of my wires to eliminate, you know what I'm saying, so much mess. But yeah, it looks dirty right now, or not as clean right now. But once I get the loom over and all that and tape and everything finalized, it's gonna be way cleaner than that. But this is where I put my harness through the fender. Just ran it out. Ran it. If you can see it from up there, it's gonna be down there. So yeah. Get y'all back on in a minute. So yeah, if y'all do everything I said, you know what I'm saying, hooked up everything like exactly how I did it, your car will do the same exact thing, I swear. I told y'all, I'm not lying to y'all. If y'all do everything I said, it will run. I still gotta hook up a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? Wiring wise, we're complete. You know, somewhat. I gotta shorten these AC wires. They're way too long. Gotta put the alternator on, gotta clean some more stuff up. But hey, it's looking pretty clean. If you know, you know. And if you see it, you see it. Not too many people LS swaps look like this, you know, and I still got more growing to do. And y'all gonna see that. We're gonna look back at this video and be like, boy, that was trash. But got a lot of cleaning to do. I got a lower radiator hose. Then I just gotta find me an upper one. I'm probably gonna use the truck one and probably trim it down or something like that. But yeah, don't really like this. I don't know how, I might tuck this underneath there and all that. I gotta put my fuel line back on there. Gotta hook that up. Right here using them push lock fittings. I gotta trim up these headers so they can fit down there. It's hitting on the floor down there. Gotta trim that up. And then shoot, she dang near gonna be done. We might get that first startup pretty soon. Pray to God. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, I've been taking my time. I learned how to be patient. It's helping me out a whole lot. But appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, you know what I'm saying? Show some love. Do whatever you want to do with it. I don't really care. I'm just putting this information out here for y'all guys. So, for whoever need it. So, peace.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna